Discover the ultimate listening experience with Soundcore by Anker Life Q30. Hybrid active noise cancelling headphones. Equipped with advanced hybrid ANCS technology, the Life Q30 offers multiple noise cancelling modes designed to tune out distractions. Whether you're flying, facing busy streets, or in a noisy office, these headphones have a mode to suit your environment. With high-res audio certification, the Life Q30 delivers crisp, detailed sound for an immersive listening experience. Customize your sound profile with the Soundcore app's EQ settings and enjoy music just the way you like it. Enjoy an incredible 40-hour playtime with ANC off. In a rush, a quick 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playback. Designed for comfort, the ultra-soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam padding ensure a snug fit. With multi-point connection, switch between 2 Bluetooth devices with ease. Take calls confidently with the Life Q30's noise-reducing microphones. Need to stay aware of your surroundings? Transparency mode lets you hear ambient sounds without removing the headphones. At just 9 Oz, the lightweight build of the Life Q30 means you can enjoy your music comfortably, anytime, anywhere. The headphones feature 40mm drivers, a frequency response from 16 Hz to 40 KHz, and Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable connection. When it's time to recharge, you'll be back to full power in just 2 hours. The Life Q30 headphones combine lightweight design with robust sound, making them the perfect travel companion. They're compatible with virtual assistants for effortless voice control. Experience the difference with the Soundcore Life Q30 headphones. Tune out the noise and tune into your audio. Get yours today. Step into a world of pure sound with Soundcore Life Q20 noise-cancelling headphones. Your personal oasis awaits wherever life takes you. Escape the chaos with Life Q20's hybrid ANCS, cutting ambient noise by up to 90%. Just a quick charge and you're ready for hours of uninterrupted bliss. Immerse yourself in high-res audio precision. Every note is delivered with unmatched clarity thanks to custom 40mm drivers. Bass-up technology intensifies your soundtrack in real time, perfect for every bass enthusiast. With 60 hours of playtime, Life Q20 is your enduring travel companion, ensuring your playlist keeps going on any adventure. Memory foam ear cups and a self-adjusting headband deliver comfort that lasts all day, molding perfectly to you. Seamless Bluetooth connectivity means your music is always just a tap away, no matter the device. Life Q20 brings your music to life with exceptional sound and real-time bass enhancement, all while ensuring lasting comfort. Customize your fit for a snug, personalized feel, perfect for extended listening sessions. Never miss a beat. Switch to wired mode with the AUX cable for continuous play, even when the battery's out. Take calls on the go with the built-in microphone, keeping your conversations clear and hands-free. The Soundcore Life Q20 isn't just a pair of headphones, it's your ticket to a captivating sound experience. High-res audio, powerful ANC, and lasting comfort are yours. Feel every moment. Grab your Soundcore Life Q20 today and transform your audio journey. Drown out the noise, not your savings. Introducing the best budget noise-cancelling headphones for easy device connectivity, quality sound, smart pairing, budget-friendly. Find your sonic sanctuary. Escape into your own world of crystal-clear sound with the Zynic Active Noise Cancelling headphones. Designed to keep the chaos out and the music in. These headphones feature advanced active noise cancellation technology, perfect for travel, work, or anywhere life takes you. Enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity with Bluetooth, offering you up to 40 hours of playtime on a single charge. Experience deep bass and hi-fi stereo sound that brings every note to life, all while enjoying the comfortable, cushioned ear pads designed for all-day wear. Whether you're on a conference call or lost in your favorite album, these headphones deliver unparalleled sound quality and comfort. And when you're on the move, the foldable design makes it easy to pack them away and take them wherever you go. With intuitive controls right at your fingertips, managing your audio has never been easier. The Zynic Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. your solution for immersive audio and serene listening, no matter where you are. Don't wait to experience the difference. Click the link to get your pair today and step into a world of auditory bliss.
Welcome to another video where we simplify technology for you. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home hubs. These are powerful devices that act as the brain of your smart home, connecting and controlling all your smart devices. We're going to explore 5 of the best hubs available in 2024. Google Nest Hub, Max, Amazon Echo Show 10, Apple HomePod 2, EOTech Smart Home Hub, and Amazon Echo 4th generation. So, without further ado, These are powerful devices that act as the brain of your smart home, connecting and controlling all your smart devices. We're going to explore 5 of the best hubs available in 2024. Google Nest Hub, Max, Amazon Echo Show 10, Apple HomePod 2, EOTech Smart Home Hub, and Amazon Echo 4th generation. So, without further ado, let's delve into the details.
Welcome to our ultimate showdown of budget-friendly noise-canceling headphones. In the world of sound, nothing quite beats the satisfaction of immersing yourself in your favorite tunes, blocking out all distractions. And for that, you need a pair of high-performance noise-canceling headphones. But hey, quality doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. Today, we'll be exploring some top-notch budget-friendly options that deliver on both sound quality and affordability. First is the Soundcore LifeQ 20 Hybrid Active Noise-Canceling Headphones. This pair of headphones is a game-changer in the realm of budget-friendly, high-quality audio solutions. With its hybrid active noise-canceling technology, the Soundcore LifeQ 20 is engineered to reduce up to 90% of environmental noises. This means you can immerse yourself in your favorite tunes, undisturbed, regardless of where you are. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Soundcore LifeQ 20 is certified with high-res audio, promising an exceptional sound experience. It reproduces music with superior clarity, ensuring you don't miss a single detail of your favorite tracks. But it's not just about clarity. With the bass-up technology, your music is enhanced with up to 43% more bass. This patented technology analyzes the sound profile in real time to instantly strengthen the bass output, intensifying every beat. One of the standout features of the Soundcore LifeQ 20 is its impressive battery life. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 60 hours of playtime. That's more than a week of use if you listen for 2 hours per day. And don't worry if you forget to charge. With the quick charging feature, a mere 5 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of playback. This makes the Soundcore LifeQ 20 perfect for those always on the move. Enjoy up to 60 hours of playtime and feel the intensity of every burst up. Let's talk about the Zynic Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. These headphones are designed for those who crave an immersive audio experience without breaking the bank. They sport advanced active noise cancellation technology, so whether you're in a bustling city, a crowded cafe, or just at home with the kids running around, you can enjoy your music in peace. But that's not all. These headphones also boast an impressive playtime of up to 40 hours. That's right, 40 hours. So whether you're going on a long-haul flight or just want to lose yourself in your favorite album all day long, these headphones have got your back. Now let's talk about connectivity. In this digital age, we all crave seamless, hassle-free connections, and the Zynic headphones deliver just that. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair these headphones with your device, and voila, you're good to go. No wires, no fuss. But what about the design, you ask? Well, the Zynic headphones come with a foldable design, making them super easy to carry around. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just out for a walk, you can easily slip these headphones into your bag and bring your music with you. And the sound? Oh, the sound. With deep bass and hi-fi stereo sound, these headphones deliver a rich, balanced audio experience that will leave you wanting more. Experience seamless connectivity and intuitive controls, all while enjoying the deep bass and hi-fi stereo sound that these headphones deliver. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, the Zynic Active Noise Cancelling Headphones could be just the ticket. Next on our list, beat with bass-up technology, which enhances your music in real time. Moving on to the Soundcore by Anker LifeQ 30 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill headphones, they're a ticket to your own personal sanctuary, where every beat, every lyric, every note is delivered with precision and clarity. These headphones feature multiple noise-canceling modes, allowing you to tailor your listening experience to your environment. Whether you're trying to drown out the hustle and bustle of city life, or just wanting to immerse yourself in your favorite tunes, the Life Q30 has got you covered. But let's not forget about comfort. The Soundcore by Anker Life Q30 is designed with lightweight materials and ultra-soft ear cups, providing an unrivaled level of comfort. Whether you're embarking on a long journey or just enjoying an extended listening session at home, these headphones are designed to keep you comfortable while delivering exceptional sound. The cherry on top? These headphones boast an impressive playtime of up to 40 hours. That's nearly 2 full days of music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Imagine that, 2 full days of audio bliss, all without having to worry about charging your headphones. With their lightweight build and ultra-soft ear cups, you can enjoy your music comfortably for hours on end. The Soundcore by Anker Life Q30 Hybrid Active Noise cancelling headphones truly are a testament to the fact that quality audio doesn't have to break the bank. Last but not least, we have the Sony WB-HC-H 720N noise-cancelling wireless headphones. Sony has been a trusted name in the audio industry for decades, and these headphones are a testament to that legacy. Offering advanced noise-cancelling capabilities, they provide an oasis of calm, immersing you in your favorite tunes and blocking out the world. The Sony WB-HC-H 720N is not just about noise cancellation, though. They also feature built-in Alexa for hands-free voice access to music, information, and more. Just imagine changing tracks, adjusting.
Starting off with the Google Nest Hub Max, hailed as the best overall smart home hub. This device is more than just a hub. It's a central command center for your smart home. The Nest Hub Max boasts an impressive 10-inch HD display, perfect for those family photos or catching up on your favorite YouTube channels. But the Nest Hub Max isn't just about looks. The sound quality is top-notch. It's designed with powerful speakers that deliver rich, full audio that can fill a room. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes, making video calls, or catching up on the news, you'll appreciate the crystal-clear sound. One of the key features that sets the Nest Hub Max apart is its smart home control capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, allowing you to control your smart devices from lights to thermostats with just a simple voice command. Of course, no device is without its drawbacks. The Nest Hub Max does come with a higher price tag compared to some other smart home hubs, and while it works brilliantly with Google devices, it has limited compatibility with non-Google gadgets. But these minor setbacks don't overshadow the Nest Hub Max's strengths. Its great display and superior sound quality, coupled with its robust smart home control features, make it a standout in the smart home hub arena. The Google Nest Hub Max is a solid choice for those invested in the Google ecosystem. Moving on from Google, we have 4 more remarkable smart home hubs to discuss. Let's dive into it. First up, we have the Amazon Echo Show 10. This premium pick is all about advanced features and high-quality display. From hands-free video calling to streaming your favorite shows, the Echo Show 10 serves as a top-notch entertainment center. Its advanced motion tracking ensures it always faces you for optimal viewing and interaction. However, it comes with a higher price tag, and its large size may not suit all spaces. But if you're after a device with a rich feature set and aren't bothered by the price, this is a hub worth considering. Next, let's talk about the Apple HomePod 2. If you're a part of the Apple ecosystem, this hub is a no-brainer. Renowned for its excellent sound quality, the HomePod 2 is also a powerhouse when it comes to smart home control thanks to seamless integration with HomeKit. However, as with most Apple products, the HomePod 2 is on the pricier side and is best suited for those already immersed in the Apple ecosystem. On to the EOTech Smart Home Hub, a fantastic option for SmartThings users. This hub stands out for its flexibility and broad compatibility with SmartThings devices. It allows you to connect and control a wide range of devices from various brands, making it a versatile choice for those looking to build a comprehensive smart home. The downside? Its interface could be a bit more user-friendly, and it might be overkill for those with simpler smart home setups. Last but not least, we have the Amazon Echo 4th generation. This hub is a great pick for those who love Alexa and are on a budget. It offers a lot of the features of its bigger sibling, the Echo Show 10, but at a much more affordable price. It's compact, easy to use, and ideal for those just dipping their toes